Hi guys, welcome to Tech Learner Hub. Today we will see the else if condition statements. So this is the syntax of else if. So we already know, right? What is if? So if the condition is true, then this statement is printed. But else if is like if this statement is also true, then if this condition is also true, then this statement is printed. Okay, similarly in this case, any of these statements are false, then automatically this statement is printed because this is the last false case. Okay, so that is how if else if will statement works. Let's see one example. If I will write 20 and int y 10, say let's say long this time, l equals 20. Now here I will write x equals, sorry, x is greater than y. Okay, watch it carefully guys. X is greater than y, right? Let me copy this. Else if I will write x double equals l. You know what is double equals, right? We have already discussed this. And if any of these statements, if both of the statements are false, then we will say we are in false block. X is equals to L. Let's compile this and execute. Let's see how this program is behaving. Did you see that? So it is not going to the second else if because it got its answer in the first one only. So this is x is greater than y. That's it. So now this condition is true. It is not going to this one. I know you guys are saying this is also true. Why it is not going to this one? Because the condition is satisfied over here. It doesn't want to go to the next one. That is why the program is ended in this if block itself. If I will write like this, x is less than y, which is a false statement, then let's see what will happen. Compile. X is equal to L, right? So only if this is false, this condition is false, then it will jump to this one. If this one is also false, then it will jump to this one. Let's see if I will write x is not equal to L, then let's see, compile. We are in false block, right? So both of these conditions are false. That is why we are in the last else block. And that is how we got our answer. We are in a false block. So this is how if else if works. So if you have multiple conditions, then you can use else if else syntax statements. Let's see one more example. And this example we will use scanner class. So let me import java.util.scanner. scanner. Let me create object for scanner. And I will be taking a user input of integer x cn dot next int. Okay, here we will see else if case. So always remember we have to import this java.util.scanner, otherwise this will not work. Java will give you an error if you are not using this import statement while using the scanner class. Okay. Please enter correct input. Okay, now let's see. Let me execute this. Compile it first, then execute. So it is asking me a number now. So if you guys want to do it, you can put a control C to uh, get an exit from this. Let me add like this. We can write here, please enter a number. This will look a little good, right? Please enter a number. So Java is asking, please enter a number. Okay. Now I have entered, let's say 45. So it is saying x is a positive number. Please enter a number x, we can write, right? Java C, please enter a number x. Now I am writing -1. X is a negative number. See, if I'm writing -1, so it is automatically going to this statement else if 1 that x is a negative number. If I will execute again and I write 0, x is equals to 0 number. It is coming to this one, x is equals to 0 number, right? Now I'll execute it again. Now I will write. See, if I will write like this, it is giving me the input mismatch exception. And also guys, we have to close our scanner class as well. So we can, to close it, we have to do scn.close. That is how we can close it. Okay, let's give it again. X is a positive number. Okay, so that is how you can write. If all the statements are false, then only this else will work. But in this case, I don't think so any other case will be there to make these conditions false. If I will write 1, it will jump into this, -1 will jump into this, 0 is jump into this. Right, we have covered everything. But if I will, let's say if I will remove this, then obviously this statement will work, right? Please enter correct input. I hope you're getting my point. So that is for this video, guys.